much. I don't think I've played that song since high school. My right hand was about to cramp up. But we made it. Who said the Republicans can't have fun? All right? Well, I don't think Gary said I can make a political speech, so I won't. But other than to say thank you all so much for coming out to celebrate our 234th birthday as a country. What a blessing, what a privilege, what a great honor, and indeed a great responsibility to be an American. We really are at a defining moment in our American journey. It's so good to see every one of you here, standing for freedom, standing for liberty, and standing for smaller government. And at my very core, that's what the Republican Party at its very best represents. So enjoy the food, enjoy the fellowship. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, America.
All right, how about that? Thank you so much.